Covered California offers two relatively hidden benefits that some families should really consider. Hi, I'm Kevin Knaus with InsureMeKevin.com. Covered California can be a bit sticky. There are some potholes, you can get derailed, and sometimes it is just not as easy as they market it is to enroll in health insurance. However, there are a couple benefits to Covered California that should not be overlooked. The first I call income protection, and the second I call the family split. With income protection, when your income goes down, you can reduce the income in Covered California and the subsidy can increase. Well, of course, that's just what Covered California does. That's the whole function of it. However, there are times when some families earn too much to get a subsidy in Covered California and they purchase a plan off exchange. If one of the people in the household, one of the spouses, decides to just, I'm done with working, I'm out of here, and the income drops, a loss of income generally is not a qualifying life event to then enroll in Covered California with the subsidies. If you are off exchange and your income drops, you just must continue to pay the health insurance premiums for that off-exchange plan. You can enroll in Covered California with a very high income, and maybe you're looking at a bronze plan, and if during the year the income goes south or something happens, someone gets sick, you can drop that income and then start receiving the subsidies. I call this income protection because it is kind of a form of protecting your expenses relative to your income. Now, it's very possible that at the end of the year you may not get any subsidy because of the higher income during the year, but if all things considered, it may be a very, very valuable subsidy if in the middle of the year something happens. Now, this would be most applicable to bronze plans, gold, and platinum. The silver plans on Covered California are artificially inflated with a surcharge. So if you know you will never ever get a subsidy, then going off exchange can save you 10 to 15%. So this particular income protection benefit may not be applicable to everyone, but it can certainly help and maybe just kind of hedge someone's bet later on, especially if we don't know what's going to be happening with incomes and jobs in 2021. The next benefit that is oftentimes overlooked and a really truly wonderful feature is what I call the family split. With Covered California, they make it super simple to split up the family members into different health plans. So let's say you have a family of four, 2 adults and 2 children, and one adult really wants Kaiser, they can be in a Kaiser plan, and the other adult has some particular health challenges and they're seeing a doctor that some medical group other than Stanford, and they can enroll in that plan. And then the children can be on a completely different plan. And you can be in different metal tier levels. And this is really important for saving money. So the one person or child with some healthcare challenges may need a higher benefit level plan like a silver or a gold because that has prescription drug coverage in it. They can have that silver or gold or platinum plan with an expensive PPO, a Health Net, or a Blue Shield, while the other family members enroll in a less expensive HMO plan in the bronze or the silver category. So that's one way to lower the overall monthly health insurance premiums, whether you're getting a subsidy or not, and also get the care and the providers each family member needs. And the Covered California application and account, it's pretty easy to split the family members up into different metal tiers and carriers. I particularly like this for Kaiser because Kaiser can be very difficult to make changes. Also, if you're splitting people up off exchange, where there is no Covered California subsidy or anything like that, you have to fill out an application for each person for each different plan. It's cumbersome, but Covered California makes it very easy. And those are kind of two hidden benefits that I don't know if Covered California really thought of when it was being designed, but they are important and should be considered when you're looking for individual and family health insurance in 2021. Thank you so much for your time. I'm Kevin Knaus with InsureMeKevin.com, and be safe.